Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, what do I have here? Boy, I'm telling you, with this bullion shortage we're going through, this took a long time to get. Not just the bullion shortage, but how busy the bullion dealers are, and they're all saying 5 days, 10 days, 20 days, backed up delays to get your stuff. This took quite a while. I ordered this about 3 weeks ago. Paid with the electronic checks. That's going to add a little bit of time to it. But yeah, even after the check cleared, they kept this thing for quite a while before they shipped it. In fact, I had to reach out to them and say, hey, even after your stated time for shipping, I still haven't received my package. You haven't even shipped it. And they were like, yep, we're working on it. And I know they're busy and you have to have a little bit of patience because you know you're eventually going to get it, and that's the important thing. You know, you lock in the price from the time you buy it, so that was okay. But I picked this up from SD Bullion, which is a pretty good online bullion dealer. And why don't we go ahead and take a look. Alright, so here we go. I'll just cut this edge over here. Should be okay. Try this side. Oh, I found it. You ready? Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. It's yellow. Alright, this is my first one of these in a while. We used to buy the Canadian Maple Leaf a lot, but a while back we kind of switched over to the American Gold Eagle, and they had this for a great deal, so we got one of these. Let me take it out of the flip here. Take a closer look if we can. Pretty nice, huh? It's a 1/4 ounce, and as many of you know, the Canadian Maple Leaf is a 4/9 fine piece of gold. Zoom in here and you can see it as a 2020. It's got all the radio lines on there for security features. Oh, the cartwheel on that baby, huh? Oh man. So let's flip it over. See down there, fine gold, 1/4 ounce. I love the Canadian Maple Leafs. I just love pure gold. Recently just got my first gold buffalo from the US Mint, which is 24 karat gold like this. But the rest of the US coins aren't. And they got some special edition ones, but American Gold Eagle are not 24 karat, not 4/9 fine. So it's pretty cool when you can buy one that is. Alright, so I know a lot of you would probably be like, oh, leave it in the original packaging. I mean, because I think this is how the Mint probably ships them out to dealers. You can see here it's been ripped off from a sheet, right? But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in a capsule. So why don't we go ahead and do that? All right, here's the capsules that I use. Let me zoom back out here a little bit. There we go. That's a little better. Then I got these off Amazon. They're Guardhouse direct fit coin capsules. I think they're intended for the American Gold Eagle, but the maple will go in there. It might jiggle a little bit, but it works. Tells you the size down here. 1/4 ounce, quantity of 10, and I have to tell you there's quite a few missing out of there. Alright, so nothing special, just a 1/4 ounce capsule. Let me see what I can get out of here. There's the top piece. And there's the bottom piece. This one's already pushed together, so we'll leave that like that. So you can see here it's going to have a little bit of a space, almost like equivalent to a foam ring. I do not like to put my gold coins against foam rings. I know there's probably no problem doing it. I do not want the foam pressing against my coin for the next 10 or 20 or 30 years. So here's the most important part of this process is we have to cut this out of here without nicking the coin. Remember, 24 karat gold, this is really, really soft. It can be damaged really easy, so you have to be really careful. So let's go ahead and carefully cut around this coin. See, there's only a real small gap of air to plastic. And again, let's be really careful. We don't want to nick this coin at all with our scissor blade. And we don't have to go all the way, just have to go far enough to drop it out of there. Like so, and there she is. Gold, it doesn't really matter that much. I'm going to put my glove on. This is a fresh sealed coin right out of it. I want to just grab it with my oily hands, and there's no reason to do that at this point. So let's get another good look at this thing. And it's real simple, right? You just drop it in there, and you can see that it is a little loose. That's okay. I just want to get it in the capsule for now. Doesn't have to be a perfect fit. So I'll center it up in there best I can. Take the top, squish it on there, and then it doesn't shake probably because it's pinched from the top. And you got yourself a brand new 1/4 ounce 2020 24 karat piece of gold, huh? Pretty nice. And that thing just is a beautiful coin. What do you think, huh? You can see up here on the left and the right it says 4 9s. 1/4 ounce. Canada. Yeah, that's some nice gold right there. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and always remember, let's keep talking bullion.